Breaking news! GOOVIS G3X 4K Cinematic head-mounted display is arriving.
Wow.
Own an 800 inches screen anytime and anywhere, bringing you an unparalleled audio-visual experience.
Can I connect this to my PlayStation?
Well, of course. Connect any HDMI device to the GOOVIS. Deliver supreme picture quality and transport. Experience every moment smoothly with excellent refresh rate. Are those prescription glasses?
Yeah.
G3X can bring you a real Blu-ray 3D experience. It has diopter and pupillary distance adjustments for optimum viewing comfort.
Wow. Super clear.
How about this sound?
Built-in state-of-the-art speakers provide excellent sound. For your ears only. Working remotely shouldn't be complicated. It should be convenient to connect your GOOVIS directly to an iPhone or an expanded multi-screen desktop to click and make selections, ensuring meticulous attention to every detail.
Can I travel with this?
Absolutely. GOOVIS is compatible with all your devices, allowing you to comfortably enjoy all contents anywhere you go while maintaining total privacy. Hey guys, you can watch your own shows at the same time. Stream or download shows directly to the portable stream media player or connect an external device. You've been watching for too long. Wow, it is quiet. GOOVIS G3X, your personal mobile cinema.